How to sign out YouTube account from other devices. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to your YouTube application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. After that, tap on your profile, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen over here. So just tap on your account. Then here you can see the option of Google account over here. So just tap on Google account. Now it will take you to your Google account. Now just swipe and you can see the option of security over here. Tap on security and then all you have to do is just scroll down all the way and you can see the option of your devices over here. So just tap on manage all devices and you'll be able to see different devices that you have logged in. So on your YouTube account. So here are all the devices. So you can, if you want to delete or remove or sign out from the YouTube account from other devices, you just have to select this device and then you just have to tap on sign out, then tap on sign out again. Okay, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.